7 mind-blowing psychology facts about love. Love. It makes us do crazy things. But did you know there's real science behind why we fall in love? Why we can't forget someone? And why heartbreak actually hurts? Stick around, because these psychology facts about love will blow your mind. Fact 1. Love is addictive. When you're in love, your brain releases dopamine, the same chemical that makes you feel high on drugs. That's why love can feel addictive. Your heart races, your stomach flips, and even your brain starts craving the other person, like chocolate or your favorite game. Fact 2. Heartbreak really hurts. Ever felt like your heart was physically breaking? It's not just a metaphor. Brain scans show that social rejection activates the same brain regions as physical pain. That means heartbreak literally hurts your body. Fact 3. Love changes your brain. Falling in love doesn't just feel magical, it rewires your brain. Studies show increased activity in areas associated with reward and motivation. Basically, being in love makes you obsessed in a totally scientific way. Fact 4. Eye contact sparks love. Want to know a secret trick? Eye contact can increase feelings of attraction. Gazing into someone's eyes triggers oxytocin, the bonding hormone, making you feel closer and more connected. Fact 5. Similarity attracts. Opposites may attract in movies, but in real life, similarity wins. We're naturally drawn to people who share our values, interests, and even facial features. Science calls this the similarity attraction effect. Fact 6. Love boosts your health. Being in a loving relationship can literally improve your health. Couples who feel emotionally connected have lower stress, healthier hearts, and even stronger immune systems. Fact 7. Love takes work. Finally, love isn't just butterflies. Long-term relationships thrive on effort, communication, and empathy. The psychology of love proves that consistent care often matters more than initial attraction. So next time you feel butterflies, or your heart aches, remember, it's not just feelings, it's science. Love is powerful, addictive, and sometimes painful, but always worth it. If you learned something new today, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone you love.